Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 4x, I can put into 3x plus x. This one we can do about factorization by x. This one by number 3. So s plus 1, s plus 1, we can do about factorization. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s plus 3, capital B over s plus 1. Later that, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s plus 1. So capital A multiplied by s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s plus 3. So capital B multiplied by s plus 3. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. So we have A and B with 1s in here because 1s multiplied by A. So A with number 1 we have 8. Similar for B. About the numbers, we have 1 with A, 3 with B. Now we need to compare coefficient in here. This one that is about number 1. So A plus 3B equals to number 1. We don't have S, so A plus B equals to number 0. And now we can create the system of equations. Now we can find the solutions of AB. So A equals to negative 1 over 2, B equals to 1 over 2. Now we put A and B go back in here. So A equals to negative 1 over 2, B equals to 1 over 2. And now we have the final answer. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.